Hello, hello, hello. How are you? This is Els from Bemis Crafty Corner. That's right. Today's Scaventure Day. And today, I found this. This is a big book of Mother Goose rhymes. And it says $1.99, which means it's 99 cents. So, the reason I got it was because it's a board book. It's a board book. And you know what that means? That means I got chipboard. Now, this is really weird, too, because, see, that's the top of the book. It's not been fixed. And that's the bottom of the book. See, this book was put in upside down. And it's okay. It's upside down and backwards. Kind of funny, huh? Okay, so I got that for a job. Then I found this. Now, this was interesting. Because here it says $2. That's not the store sticker. Then over here it says $1.88. That's not the store sticker. When I turned it over, there was a sticker here. It said $3.99. So apparently they took those two prices, added them together, put a little tax on the top of it. Of course, I didn't pay that. I said, what the hell? And they said, 99 cents for the fat lady. And I went, cool. So I got these. And I don't know how many are in here, but it's a pretty healthy stack if you know what doilies you like. So I got me some paper doilies. And I thought, these would be, they're big enough to be folded in half. And these just a whole page in a book. So I like those. Those are cool. So 99 cents means I paid 50 cents for it. Well, 49 cents. And then I got these. I wasn't going to get this. Just wasn't. Because, well, this is like the back pieces that you put in, like, a piece of furniture. You can see it's got the little holes there for the nails. And they were $1.99, and there's 4 of them here. So I figured, 99 cents. So less than a quarter a piece. That's not bad. But then when I got the book, I said, I don't need those. And then I went up to the register and realized that they were, folded in half. And I thought, I could make a whole journal out of these. Just glue them together. Look, just glue it there, glue it there, glue it there. And I got a journal. It's 8 pages. I mean, it's not big. But if I cut them in half, I'd have 16. So I said, what the heck? For $1? Then I found this. Now, this was a little bit pricey, but it's a big piece. It's really big. And it's very pretty. Okay? I know you guys can't see that really well, but that's like blue and purple and white and green. And it's got these sparklies on it. And then it's got all the stitching. So I thought, I could cut that up. We could find a use for it, right? All right, what else did we find? Okay, then I found this. Now, this has the $3 price tag on it, but it's $1.99, which means it's 99 cents to me. And this is 10 popular reminders, quick and easy to change, self-inking, size of impression. It's just tiny little things, see? The little stamps. And they go in the little thing here, and it goes, dum, 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 and it stamps stuff. Which I thought was kind of cool. It says birthday, special occasion, religious event, hair and nails, TV programs, practice, maintenance, dentist or doctor, games, and garbage day. So I thought I could use this in my journal, in my planner book, because I'm always forgetting things. I am very bad at remembering. So for $1. What else? So then I found this. It was $4.99, so that's $2.49 to me. And what this is just a bag of rickrack. Now, you would think I have enough rickrack on the planet, but I don't, actually. I didn't get a lot of rickrack when I got all my stuff. I got mostly seam binding, and I sold all of that. So I got some rickrack and stuff. So let's see what we got in the bag here. Okay, so the first thing we got was this. This is just some cording, like, and I got a couple of things of that, you know. And then I got this little pretty, that's pretty, look at that pretty little trim. I got that. That'd be cool for Halloween. And then I got this, which is actually like a blanket seam. It's like a blanket seam. Bias tape stuff. But it's really cool, and I like it. Sure, I got that. And then there was this one, which is the same thing, you know, bias tape. And then there was this, and this was closed. This is hem facing, and this is old. This is old. So I got that. And I got this one, this nice big Ricky rack, and I thought, oh, that's good for Halloween. I could use that for Halloween. So I got that. And then I got this one too, see? I got two of them, big ones. Alright, now what else? What else? Oh, look, we got some of that stuff in the red. We got some really tiny green and some really tiny blue Ricky rackies. And then we got some hem tape and some more hem tape. And then we got some more of that bias tape stuff, see? Bias tape. We got some black Ricky racky. Then we got some more bias tape here. That's old too. This is bias tape. Hem tape. Bias tape. Bias tape. Hem tape. Bias tape. Hem tape. Ricky racky. Ricky racky. And I like this stuff, so it's going to go in the box. Alright. So, now what? Okay, so I got this thing over here. Let me show you. This is just a regular, you know, tree ring binder. And, you know, I use this for, I took some of my older things and I popped holes in them and then I put it in here. And I keep all of my dies in here that I do all the time. These are the dies I reach for every day. You know, so like my fairies and butterflies and mermaids and bottles and splatters and shoes and clothes and things. The things that I use the most. I keep them right here. Okay? But I'm like running out of space. But, you know, these are, you know, poly envelopes, and I popped holes in them, and we've got magnet sheets in there, and this is where I keep. And this book is just bleh. So I saw another book, and it had 5 holes, and I was like, I could use that. So I was going to get it. It was $1.99, but it was just a book. Then I saw this, and this is $1.99, and this is actually card memories. And this comes with all of these really heavyweight. Look at that. Look. And it's like each one is, I'll show you. It's really weird. I mean, it's not weird. It's just different. So there's one thing and there's like 2 pockets. See? I'll show you. See? It's like a big sheet protector folded in half. Because you're going to put your stuff in it. And I thought, you know, that would be kind of cool because I could put, you know, I could put like this, the dies on one side, the stamps that go with them on the other. Or I could have like one whole thing that's just like bleh, all one kind. So I thought that was kind of neat, and it was different, and so I got it. You know, I may not keep it, I may sell it. Who knows? You never know with me. But it was only 99 cents, so I just hit Harry with that. That was not cool. I sorry, Harry. You okay? Yeah, it was fun. So then I got this now. This did not have a price tag on it, so I'm not going to tell you what I paid for it. Nope, not going to tell you. It does have staples on it, though. Hold on. I'm getting the staples out. Okay. All right. Oh, I see you're all in love already. Okay, so I got this. This is 1/5 of a yard of natural fabric. No idea. Probably make a book cover out of it. Then I got this. Then they had this bag that had all of this thread in it. Now this is older thread, okay? So, but it's all in there. There's a whole bunch of thread in there. I don't know what I'm going to do with that either. This is what I bought. Look at this. Look at this. This is yards and yards and yards of crafty, scrumptious yumminess. Oh, look at that. Oh, vintage ribbon. It's a whole spool of vintage ribbon, actually. It doesn't even have a price tag on it anywhere. I can't find one. But there it is, and it's pretty. But that's a big bulk of it. And then I got this thing. This was like a bonus. Look, it's like a bonus feature. Get that off of there. Okay. Get that off of there. See, I'm making knots over here. But Harry, that's what happens when you have cats. Now he's just laying down there licking his foot like I wasn't doing nothing. But look. Isn't that cool? I like it. So I got that. And I got this. This is what I bought. This is what I wanted. This is right here. This was what I wanted. And I had to dig for it too. I found it was buried under a bunch of stuff. But I just saw this like little piece of it sticking out of the bag. Just like that. And like all of this you couldn't see. This was all gone. You just see this little piece now. Where's that is attached to? And then I dug through everything and I found this. And I went, oh, I know my crafty friends will go crazy for that. They will love it. So I got this. So I'm thinking I'm probably going to sell this by the yard. You know, what the heck. It's vintage. It's old. I got to find the price tag. It's down here someplace. I know it is. Probably down on the corner here or something. But I'll find it and we'll figure it out. But this is old. It's very old. I can tell it's old. It has that old lace thing to it. Yeah, it's vintage. It even has that vintage look. So, yep, smells like old lady. So it's old. But I'm going to probably be selling most of this because, good God, I couldn't use all that if I tried. I mean, I could. I really could. I could make a heck of a journal. But, no, I can't use this all. So I'm going to share it with you guys. Okay? All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say goodbye for now. And I'm going to get this video posted because it's Monday and it's Scaventure Day. You guys expect to see a Scaventure. So I'm going to get this all put up. And I will see you guys tomorrow night for live with me and Winty. Okay? So, if you haven't done so, go down there and hit the red button. Subscribe. That's the first part. Now, once you've done that, like, ring my bell. Share me. I have lace and goodies. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.